how to fix this correction is not private iPhone Safari error. Sometimes you browse your Safari browser and this connection is not private message appear on your screen. How to resolve this issue? And to resolve this issue, tap on settings of your iPhone and look for Safari settings. Tap on Safari and here scroll down. You will find the option clear history and website data. Tap on it and clear history. Clear browsers and cookies and caches from Safari browser may be helpful in resolving this issue. So this is the initial and first workaround to remove your cookies and caches and browsing history. And the second method is a simple restart your iPhone. Can resolve various major type of issues. So you must restart your iPhone and check whether your iPhone Safari error, this connection is not private resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, launch your Safari browser and tap on bottom right corner icon, and here you will see this start page and just decide it private. So tap on private and this is a private browsing. So keep your browser under start page, not a private browsing. Remove this, go back and again remove private and keep your browsing page as a start page. The next workaround to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone and here scroll down and look for general settings. Tap on general settings and here scroll down and tap on date and time and make sure that set automatically. Your date and time in your iPhone set automatically, toggle button is duly on. The next one is tap on settings again and here tap on general settings and here scroll down and go to VPN and device management. If you have added any VPN connection, then disable VPN connection or remove VPN connection. In my case, not any VPN connected. If you found in your iPhone any VPN connection is added, then simply remove VPN connection. This will helpful in resolving this issue. The another method to fix this issue is again tap on settings of your iPhone, scroll down and go to Safari settings, tap on Safari settings and here go to scroll down and go to extensions, and if you have added any extension then simply off all extension. No any extension should be turned on. Turn off all extension and check whether your this connection is private error resolved or not. It will definitely resolved. So remove extension on your iPhone. That's all.